Bonjour tout le monde et bienvenue à Learn French by Suchita. Je m'appelle Suchita, votre enseignante de la langue française, and in this video I am going to teach you les professions deuxième partie, which means the professions second part. Before we begin with this video, I would like to introduce you to my website www.learnfrenchbysuchita.com, where you will find recorded courses for all your French language needs. We have courses for DELF A1, DELF A2, DELF B1, TEF TCF recorded course, French phonetics as well. We have special courses for our school students ranging from grade 5 to grade 8. We also have courses for university students who are enrolled in certificate course or diploma course in Delhi University. And finally, we also have courses for our school students who are aiming to appear for their DELF Prem or DELF Junior examinations. So hurry up and check it out. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. And as I already told you, in this video, we are going to do the professions. I have divided this series into two parts. In the first part, we have already studied some of the professions and the rules to make the masculine and the feminine of the professions. Now in today's video, in the second part, we are going to study some more professions. Before we begin with this video, I would request you to watch this video till the end, and in case you like this video, do not forget to give a thumbs up to the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel and mention your comments in the comment section below. In case you're not following me over my Instagram page, which is Learn French by Suchita, go and follow me over there as well. Now let's just start with this video. If you've not watched the first part of this series, I'm going to mention the link of that video in the card above. You can watch that video, then come back here again. Now let's just start with the video, and the first profession over here that we're going to do is an actor. Now actor, which in French is known as acteur. Acteur, féminin, actrice. Acteur, actrice. Now, the rule number one in this video is, if you see in all these professions till here, till instituteur, all of them are ending with T-E-U-R. If you notice, all of them are ending with T-E-U-R. Right? Now, the rule says if your profession is ending with T-E-U-R, if you want to make the feminine of that profession, you are going to remove that T-E-U-R and instead put T-R-I-C-E. So actor, actrice. Now in all of them till here, I have followed the same rule. In all of them, I have removed T-E-U-R and instead added T-R-I-C-E. So remove this ter and add trice. Trice. Okay. Now actor, actrice. Next is director, like the director of a company. So that's known as directeur. Directeur. Directeur, féminin, directrice. Directrice. The next one is a movie director. Now movie director is known as réalisateur. Réalisateur. Réalisateur, féminin, réalisatrice. Now you always have to break the word and pronounce it. This is réalisateur. Réalisateur, féminin, réalisatrice. The next one is a translator. Somebody who translates is traducteur. Traducteur, féminin, traductrice. Traducteur, traductrice. The next one is a postman. Postman in French is known as facteur. Facteur, féminin, factrice. The next one is a school teacher, who is instituteur. Instituteur. Instituteur, féminin, institutrice. Now till here, all of them are following the same rule. You remove T-E-U-R and you put T-R-I-C-E. The next, the rule number 2 comes. Here all of them are ending with E-U-R. They are not ending with T-E-U-R, rather they are ending with E-U-R. Now, the rule says that you need to remove this E-U-R and put E-U-S-E. So two rules. If it is ending with T-E-U-R, remove T-E-U-R and put T-R-I-C-E. And if it is ending with E-U-R, remove E-U-R and put E-U-S-E. Right? So waiter is known as serveur. Serveur, a person who serves, is serveur. Féminin, serveuse. Serveur, serveuse. The next one is a dancer. Dancer is danseur. Danseur. Féminin, danseuse. The next one is a hairdresser. Is
coiffeur. Quoi. So OI is OA. So coiffeur. Coiffeur, féminin, coiffeuse. Coiffeur, coiffeuse. Now let's just revise them once again. Actor, actrice. Make sure that you repeat after me so that you improve on your pronunciations. Actor, actrice. Directeur, directrice. Réalisateur, réalisatrice. Traducteur, traductrice. Facteur, factrice. Instituteur, institutrice. Serveur, serveuse. Danseur, danseuse. Coiffeur, coiffeuse. The next one is a salesperson or a vendor, that's known as vendeur. Vendor. Again the same rule, if you see it's ending with EUR, so remove EUR and instead put EUSE. So vendeur, vendeuse. Vendeur, vendeuse. The next one is a researcher, is chercheur. Chercheur. Féminin, chercheuse. The next one is a driver, chauffeur. Chauffeur. Féminin, chauffeuse. Vendeur, vendeuse. Chercheur, chercheuse. Chauffeur, chauffeuse. Now the next one is singer. Now that's an exception. If you see that's ending with TEUR. So I told you the rule in the previous slide that the professions which end with TEUR, you remove TEUR and you put TRICE. But this word is an exception. It is ending with TEUR, but it takes the rule of EUR. You'll remove EUR and you put EUSE. So chanteur, féminin, chanteuse. Chanteur, chanteuse. The next one is a professor. Professeur. Féminin, professeur. Again an exception. If you see it's ending with EUR, but it will not take EUSE, you will simply put E in order to make it feminine. So professeur, professeur. The next one is an engineer. Engineer is ingénieur. Ingénieur, féminin, ingénieur, avec E. Again that's an exception. It will not take this rule. You will just put ingénieur with E. Ingénieur, ingénieur. The next one is a writer. Écrivain, féminin, écrivaine. Écrivain, écrivaine. The next one is author. Again that takes EUR. In fact I should say that is taking TEUR. But it's an exception. It will just take E in order to make it feminine. So author, masculine would be auteur, féminin, auteur. You just need to put E. Let's just revise them once again. Vendeur, vendeuse. Chercheur, chercheuse. Chauffeur, chauffeuse. Chanteur, chanteuse. Professeur, professeur. Ingénieur, ingénieur. Écrivain, écrivaine. Auteur, auteur. The next one is a businessman, which is homme d'affaires. Homme d'affaires. Féminin, femme d'affaires. So businessman is homme d'affaires, businesswoman is femme d'affaires. The next one is a librarian. Now, what do we say to a library in French? That's bibliothèque. Bibliothèque. So a librarian would be bibliothécaire. Bibliothécaire. Now you see that's ending with E. So the professions which already end with E in the masculine form, in the feminine form they remain same. So bibliothécaire, féminin, bibliothécaire. The next one is a surgeon. Surgeon is chirurgien. Chirurgien. Now you see that's ending with EN. So what was the rule? The professions which end with EN, you put E-double-N-E. So chirurgien, chirurgienne. The next one is a technician. Technicien. Again the same rule, it's ending with EN. So technicienne. Technicien, technicienne. The next one is a guide. That's guide. That's ending with E. So masculine and feminine, they remain same. Guide, guide. Let's just revise them once again. Homme d'affaires, femme d'affaires. Bibliothécaire, bibliothécaire. Chirurgien, chirurgienne. Technicien, technicienne. Guide, guide. Now that's it for this video. Of course, there are a lot of other professions. If you know any other profession, please mention them in the comment section below. I'm going to read them out. In case you like this video, please do not forget to give a thumbs up to the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, mention your comments in the comment section below. For all the updates and reminders, do not forget to hit the bell icon. And I'll see you soon with the next video. Till then, au revoir. À bientôt et bisous bisous. Cut.